Evening, everybody. It's Sunday evening around 6:45, and this is your weekend update on the gold and a look at the futures for this evening. As you can see here, the gold is up about $3.30. The silver is up 13 cents. And just to give you a look at what the gold actually looks like on a daily basis, let's go to the daily nearby. And we see that on Friday we had a huge run up on the bad news, followed by it coming all the way back down. And instead of being over 1800, it was literally $30 lower than the high of the day. The high was 1816 and made it look awfully strong. Now the question is whether or not we're going to hold 1775. Tonight's low so far is slightly higher than the Friday low. Excuse me. Tonight's low is 1780. The high is 92. Friday's low was 1778.60, and Wednesday's low was 1777.40. So this is a pretty good area, but with all of this news distorting all of these markets, it makes it a little bit difficult to really make a judgment about it. So, my judgment on the market and my judgment in the metals is basically wait and see. The oil is up almost $3, $2.88 right now. You don't see a lot of declines like this. You can be sure that the Biden administration and all the liars and thieves involved with that are going to look back at this and say, see, this is what we did. Well, the fact of the matter is, has nothing to do with them, but people will forget and they will take advantage. So we have a little bit of a bounce. I expect there to be a problem up here at 75. I still favor the long side unless and until we have some better information about this new variant and how much of the reopening is going to be put in jeopardy. It's hard to say. What I will say is that everybody that I saw on all of the Sunday morning shows today were all of the same opinion. When you see it someplace in the world, especially at this time of the year, you are going to see it at home. And that's just been the proven fact. You can't close the borders. You can't legislate it away based on travel and vaccines. So, we'll just have to have kind of a wait and see attitude. The nat gas is down about 40 cents tonight. Which is to say that it's back where it started before the first cold snap in Germany. And what we're looking at right here is a move up to that $5.50 area, 551.80 on Friday, closing near the low, slightly higher. This 475 continues to hold until we solidly break below that. I am still bullish of the nat gas. As far as stocks are concerned, we have a bit of a bounce here. We have the S&P, which was down 106, up 26.75 right now. NASDAQ up 100, and the Dow up 155. These are minuscule bounces, and even in the worst of situations, we would get bounces like this. The dollar index has turned back up ever so slightly after being down about 80 cents on Friday. You have to take Friday into consideration, the fact that there was nobody around and nobody wanted to work anyway. So we came all the way back down to 96. Tonight we are 96.24, up about 14 cents. And the same way that the gold is bouncing is the way that both Bitcoin and Ethereum are bouncing. Bitcoin is up 3,200, which is about 1.5%, I would think. Let's just take a quick look. Bitcoin up 6%, pardon me, uh, up 32.15 or 5.91%. And the Ethereum is also higher, up 210. It was not down nearly as much. And in tonight's letter, you'll see Bitcoin has come down almost 23%, and Ethereum has only come down about 16%. So, relatively speaking, Ether is still the stronger one. And that makes all the sense in the world to me, since it's already actually being used for commerce, and it is the blockchain that all of the NFTs are built upon as a platform. So that's where we are, and I'll be back first thing in the morning to give you a pre-opening comment. Hope everyone had a happy and healthy Thanksgiving, and happy Hanukkah to anyone who is involved. Have a good one.